Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our pocket fender flares. Not only do our pocket fender flares offer classic off-road styling and aggressive good looks, they also have additional tire coverage to make sure your paint's protected. Here we have the namesake, the actual pocket of the pocket fender flare, and inside each pocket is going to be our rivet. Now don't worry, these are still a no-drill installation. The rivet doesn't actually attach to the fender, they simply snap in place for a little extra. We include them in the black you see here and these chrome, so you can fine-tune based on your style. Each flare is molded specifically for your vehicle out of a tri-blend ABS for strength and UV protected to resist chalking and fading. We offer them in flat black, gloss black, and color match to most trucks' paint codes. This no-drill installation is a breeze. Each flare is position specific and marked accordingly. Install the rivets, install the rubber molding, remove a few pieces of factory hardware, and install your new fender flares using a combination of factory hardware and supplied hardware. And installing your new pocket fender flares is just that easy. In less than an afternoon, you can add classic styling and aggressive good looks to your truck. So what are you waiting for? Your pocket fender flares are waiting for you now at roughcountry.com.